Hello.
Oh, hi. I didn't see you there.
Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be filming another moving vlog, and ignore my hair, I couldn't be able to do anything with it today, so it's just a bit of a mess. But it is the weekend.
Such a mess.
But it is
such a mess.
It's the weekend today, so
No.
hello. So Alex is here today because it's the weekend and we are going to be doing some house stuff. So I thought I would do another moving vlog. I think we're going to be putting things on the walls today, which is exciting / scary. Can you put things on walls? We'll find out. We also have quite a few deliveries coming today. I think there's like 5 things. Our doorbell is going to be ringing. What are you doing?
Setting up.
Getting your tools out?
Yeah.
Getting your bits out. Okay, so first things first, we're gonna get out the clock. It's been here for like 3 days, but I haven't got it out the box because I wanted to vlog it. Like, I think that's dedication. I've wanted to look at this clock for 3 days, but I haven't. But I'm finally gonna get it out of its box. So hopefully I like it, otherwise that would suck. Alex, catch.
It's fine.
I thought it was gonna fall. I think it will look so cool. Yeah.
Do I look like some weird, like, cartoon, like, clock with legs, like in Toy Story?
Yes, you do. Run around. Oh. Yeah, you do. So we're now going to move on to the next parcels that have literally just arrived. They just turned up, and let's open the boxes. What do you think?
I mean, they're shelves, aren't they?
I thought they'd look alright somewhere, so I got a few of them. If not, we can put them somewhere else. If it's a no, I can put them in my office if you want, but I just thought they were quite cute. Okay, so my vision was to have like 3 of them kind of like going down this wall in some kind of way, but they look a bit weird. I think it might be because there's nothing on it, because when there's stuff on it, I think it will look nice. Like, I was thinking of getting some of those plants that they sort of start there, but then they droop down. Do you know what I mean? A droopy plant. I've always wanted one of them. So Alex is currently balancing a load of shelves on the wall. This was my vision, but I don't know if it looks right. Sorry, you're probably like...
Yeah, you keep talking. I'm fine.
You got one in one hand, one in the other hand, and one on the knee. But I don't know. It fills the wall nicely, but I don't know. I think it will look better if it's just some planks of wood. Like, you get what I mean, don't you? Having some shelves going up the wall definitely fills up the space, but because these have this on it, it just all looked a bit much together. So I think we're gonna not put them there. This is going so well, this video. And save these for maybe my office, or we could put one in our bedroom maybe. I don't know. Yeah. Distribute them around the house.
Let me try and fix that one.
Oh yeah, also, Urban Outfitters, what you doing? What's this? But yeah, save them for my office, which is gonna be a separate vlog altogether when I do my office. And I'll try and get just some wooden shelves, I think. I will get back on the internet and get some wood. Some planks of wood, that's all we need. But I think we might consider maybe putting the clock up now, because everything's failing. So I was like, can we put the clock up? Can we? Can we? Can we?
I want to talk to your dad about the electrics on the other side of the wall first.
Okay, maybe put the clock up. Maybe not, because we don't want to get electrocuted.
I need to be a little bit taller.
Yeah, I've always said that to you.
No.
So the clock is finally on the wall. We put it up once, we took it down again. We put it up again, we took it down again. It's been up and down like a flipping yo-yo because it just wasn't quite right, but I think it's okay now. Yeah, have I even told them about the dining chairs? So I basically went for like fabric dining chairs, and they're like a grey fabric, obviously grey, but it's kind of like a darker grey. So it's not the same as the carpet and the sofa, it's like a darker grey. And then they've got wooden legs, but it's a really nice light wood. Yeah, I'm excited for them to come, but they ain't coming until like the middle of August. So yeah, just imagine this with little grey fabric chairs poking out around the edges. I think it's gonna look really, really cute. Okay, so the next parcels we have to open, I think they will look good. I'm gonna prove you wrong, mate. So
I don't believe they're gonna look good. I think it's too much, but go on then.
Whip them out. Where's it?
Down there.
Here they are. These are our bedside tables. You've got the legs and the table. So here we go, here's my dish. You could walk around with little food bits on that when we have a little party here. What is it that they're called that I said it wrong that time in front of your mum?
Oh,
Canapes.
Canapes.
We were all going to a wedding and there was like an itinerary and I was reading it out and I was like, oh, canapes at whatever time.
I was like, I don't know if I like canapes.
So here is a leg and, oh, 4 legs. Oh yeah, that would help, wouldn't it? Just 1 leg.
Alright then.
Alright then, time for a bit of building. Number 1, get your bits out and judge them. I feel like he looks so judgy.
So, look at you, you planks. What have you done? You should feel ashamed of yourselves.
Step number 2, get your house to shout.
Tape measure!
It's in a speech bubble. Oh my god, instructions are my favourite. It's not that big.
No,
this isn't a very accurate representation. Oh, do some squats. Okay, so I've just put the bedside tables into place and I'll show you them in a minute. But first, whilst I was ordering the bedside tables from Maid, I also found a couple of other bits that I just couldn't resist. And I thought, you know what? They're going to look so cute on the bedside tables. So I got this really nice little clock. I love him. He's marble and copper, 2 very nice things, so I thought that would look nice on my bedside table. And then I also got some new coasters to go on them as well. I love these so much. They're just marble coasters in these, oh goodness, this is going to test my maths. Pentagon? Pentagon. 1 for you. Oh my goodness, that was loud. So these are the bedside tables. I think they look quite cute. They're nothing special, they're pretty basic, but I just thought that would work best because it's quite a small gap in between here, so I didn't want anything too big. And I think it looks quite cute. Obviously Alex can put stuff on his is a bit bare, but I kind of like mine with just the clock and the coaster. Like, I like it quite simple, so yeah. Bedside tables, complete. And I'm sorry for the wonky cushions, I just realised they're wonky. Sauce. Oi oi. So we've had another new delivery and this is the bathroom mirror for downstairs. So the little downstairs loo is going to have this little fella. And we've also ordered a bathroom mirror for our ensuite and it's like a cabinet mirror thing. It's quite big, but that hasn't arrived yet. I think it's coming next week. But we've got the downstairs toilet mirror. First we need to get some batteries because it's battery powered. These light up. I went there, I got one that lights up, mainly because I think the downstairs toilet is quite dark because there's no what do you call those things? Windows. So the mirror is now on and oh wait, I'm not going to be able to reach it now, Alex, to peel off the thing. Okay, no, I can. I underestimated my height. Are you ready? That was wonderful. And it gets better. It gets better than that. Oh, stuck to me. Yay! I think it looks really cute, especially with the lights on. It just brightens up the room a bit. Decent, yeah, decent.
Still looks a little wonky to me.
Yeah, tiny bit wonky, but it's fine. The wall is wonky. We've discovered this wall is wonky. Great one, builders, nice one. But yeah, I like it. So here I'm gonna get a load of prints, I think. I believe it's called a gallery wall when you do this. So I'm gonna have like a selection of prints and I think I've kind of chosen the ones I want, but I haven't ordered them just yet. So a future vlog will have those in it. They'll look cute and some of them have like cute quotes and stuff. I haven't even shown you them, have I? Oh cool, it's out of focus again. Wow, you look great. I haven't even shown you that I haven't shown you the prints that I've got my eye on. The IKEA order did come. We've had an IKEA order, but we're kind of done for today now. We're gonna cook some dinner now and we're done. So tomorrow I'm gonna do some IKEA building, and I'll just add that into this vlog, so I'll make it into like a 2-day vlog. So you'll see that. I'm gonna go in the kitchen now because I want to finally use the ice machine, but I thought I'd mention first that the windows are covered with cardboard, and if you notice it and you're like, what are you doing? We've basically put a load of cardboard up. I will show you. Just in the meantime, until we get some blinds put in, because otherwise it's quite like out in the open, and we have had some visitors to the house, so we just sort of wanted to cover up the kitchen a little bit. This is what we've had to do to like block off the window. Oh my goodness, it looks so bad, but we are going to get some blinds fitted, and this is the ice machine, and I'm finally going to get a cheeky bit of ice out. I haven't tried this yet. I've like waited so I can do it on camera. Let's try a bit of cubed. Oh, so, oh, you're right. Some nice cubed ice. I don't know why I'm acting like you want to see this. You probably don't. Now let's try a bit of crushed. I've heard that with these, the crushed bit goes a bit crazy, so I'm kind of excited. Like I'm actually excited to see what happens. What's going on? So there we go. That is the ice. Nice one. Ice one. This is our first time sat out in our little outdoor area.
It's called the Zen Zone.
Yeah, well it is, because it's honestly so chill. Like you're just round this little corner and it's like, look at you, down it. But it's just so peaceful and quiet, and this needs cleaning so bad. It's actually vile. But yeah, I love it here. It's like my favourite spot. So it is now much later, so I just thought I'd say goodnight because I'm about to get ready for bed. Yeah, I am going to continue this vlog tomorrow, so it's not over yet, and I'm going to do some IKEA building. I'll see you guys tomorrow for the rest of this vlog. Good night. So it is now the next day. It is Sunday, and we're about to build the IKEA furniture. So I haven't even said what it is. Basically, I ordered an IKEA bedside table thing, like it's a tall, thin one. So we're gonna build that together, and I'm excited. I love a bit of IKEA building.
Bedside table?
What? Oh, what did I call? Oh no.
How big is the bed?
Did I say bedside table?
Yeah, I don't think it's almost as
chest of drawers. I did that in my other vlog, didn't I? So yeah, we're gonna do some building, and I'm also gonna customize it a little bit. If you guys saw the last moving vlogs from last year, you might have an idea of how I'm gonna customize it. That was actually quite cute. Okay. Oh my god. And a load more. This is gonna be hard. Yay, it's my favourite again. IKEA instructions are my absolute favourite. What's that?
Merging into the...
What is that?
Becoming part of the...
Okay, so I've stopped the time lapse because it was getting so long, but this is what we've done so far. How good have I been at instructions?
You've been very good at instructions.
Thanks.
Yeah.
I've been having a really good time because I've been in charge of the instructions, and I've been dictating. I like instructions and I like building things. Yeah, there's not too much left to do. I'd say we're a good 3/4 of the way through, so hopefully soon I'll show you the finished result. And I've got a smudge. I'm just excited to do my customization. Actually such a nerd, right? Put the lid on.
Alright.
Go on, go on. Oh, I don't know why I found that really satisfying to see that going in. Oh, yes, there we go. Whoa, a bit angry, aren't you? Jeez, calm down, mate, it's gonna be alright. This is how tall it is in comparison to me, and I'm 5'3", so it's quite a nice tall but skinny chest of drawers, which is exactly what I wanted.
Your ideal kind of chest of drawers, isn't it?
Oi, what? That's how I like my men.
I like my chests of drawers, so I like my men.
So it's now a little while later, and we've built the chest of drawers, we've built all of the drawers, but you might be thinking, there's a little something missing. There's a load of holes. And IKEA furniture does come with knobs, but they're just these like plain black knobs. And when I built the, what is it called? Like the table that the TV goes on. When I built that last year, I changed the IKEA knobs to, ta-da, copper knobs. Is out of focus. Great. There we go. So these are the copper knobs that I bought from Amazon, and they just made the table look so much better. So I wanted to do that again with these chest of drawers. So basically I've bought 5 of these copper knobs, and I think they're just going to make it look so much better. So I'm going to pop them on and put the drawers in, and then we will be done. And there we have it. It's finally finished and I'm so happy with it. I think it looks so nice. So now that I'm looking at the copper colour of these knobs, like I'd say that's, oh, my phone's going off, gosh, Snapchat. Yeah, this is like a proper coppery rose gold colour. I'm now realising that the bedside tables, like look at the difference. Yeah, even like next to that, that's like a coppery colour. I wouldn't really say it's copper. Do you know what I mean? It's kind of like a bronze. It's quite like brownie toned. You ready to see the finished result? It's over there.
Where is it?
It's behind you.
Oh.
Ta-da!
That looks good, doesn't it?
It's nice, isn't it? Don't those copper knobs just look fab?
Yeah.
I love a copper knob, although I don't think I screwed them well enough. So it is now the end of the day and we're just going to get ready for bed. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and give it a thumbs up if you want me to do some more moving vlogs in the future. Thanks for watching and I'll see you very, very soon. Bye!
Bye-bye.